Today we're going to review the past year in my Sisterlocks journey. I am 3 years in, and I just wanted to talk about any milestones that I encountered, any new experiences that I've had, any new changes in hairstyles, anything that may help you along your own Sisterlocks journey or give you things to consider if you are thinking about beginning one in the upcoming year. So as we were wrapping up last December, I was preparing to graduate. I'd envisioned what I wanted my hair to look like. I was a couple years into my lock journey, and I was really excited about graduating, about seeing my family. I wore my hair down. I thought it was a good look for graduation. The majority of the time I wore my hair down. I continued to memorialize my Sisterlocks journey by taking pics. And this pic against my background wall was on January 25th, and it is one of my favorite pics thus far in my journey. I think it might even be my YouTube profile pic and a profile pic on other websites as well. The next pic is from April 6th of this year, and my hair continued to thrive and to get a little bit of length on it. I was really pleased with the difference between January and April. This is another April pic from when I visited my hometown, and this one was actually from April 17th. This is still April. Took a flight, took a few pictures, a little bit of video as well, and apparently I documented a lot this April, and my hair looked full, it continued to grow, and I wore it down most of the time. This is the following month, in May. With this length, I would try a center part more often, and I began to warm up to the center part. When my length was shorter, like above the ear, I did not like the center part, but it grew on me. The next image is from May 21st, hanging out in Legacy West at one of the restaurants there with my sister, and she took a few photos, and my hair's maintaining much more the same. So this was a summer pic. This was August 6th, hanging out with my sister at a restaurant for her birthday. And as you see, I wore a straw hat, but I pulled my hair back and made a ponytail with several banded sections to make like these little balls, and I really enjoyed this hairstyle, and I'll probably be trying this one again soon. And now we get a little deeper into styling. I really discovered the crown braid this year, and I love a crown braid. This was like one of my early attempts at one, but now when I make a crown braid, I start further back here and wrap it all the way around, and then meet it on this side and pull it around. And so I do love a good crown braid, and I will be styling my hair like that for quite some time, particularly this spring and summer. The next pic is from October 29th. I was in Arizona for a board meeting and just wanted to take a pic just to document the experience and to, do a bit of a length check. This was after my wash day. It was November 1st, my 3-year anniversary. This is me demonstrating the thing that I forgot to do that day, and that was to take down the braids around the periphery of my hair. I used to braid the periphery so I wouldn't lose any of the edge locks, which I don't do that as much anymore. I'm kind of over it. I want my wash routine to be simpler. I'm tired. I don't want to. I love hats, and one of the benefits of having smaller locks is that I can continue to wear hats. I know folks with bigger locks can wear hats, but I appreciate the versatility of being able to wear different types of hats with the smaller lock styles. This hat was from Target. I love it. I wear it often. The next pic was taken November 27th, and like today, I'm wearing a bun at the top, and this is the style that I was waiting to achieve. I love a top bun. It's not always perfect. Sometimes a lock will fall loose. Sometimes. This is a look that I really appreciate, and I think in this picture I was just experimenting with a new pair of pants and trying to make some holiday looks. And that was November 27th. On December 6th, I took a selfie, and I really think it demonstrated how much my hair had grown since I hit that 3-year mark. I really like this pic. We're getting a bit closer to current day, going into the salon to get my retie on December 21st. The lighting just hit just right. I was in the ladies' room, but the lighting was right. And this was before I sat in the chair to get started. You can see how real shrinkage is with Sisterlocks. Comparing that picture to the picture previous, where you could really tell it was some major hang time, but after a wash, it did draw up a few inches. and I'm okay with all of it. And now here we are at current day. And I wore a white shirt for a little contrast. And I'm not gonna be able to make a straight part because I can't see very well in the viewfinder, so. So on any given day, I'm likely to have my hair either down like this or in that top bun, maybe on a special occasion, or if I feel up to it, I might do a crown braid. And those are generally my 3 go-tos. To reflect on the lessons that I've learned since having Sisterlocks, I'm embracing both the ease and the routine of having Sisterlocks. I recognize that sometimes these edge locks will get too heavy and occasionally one will break, but my consultant is skilled at reestablishing locks and we keep it moving. I have some baby locks on the side here and 1 or 2 here. Honestly, I can't necessarily tell all the time if it's because one has come out or she just found some new area to establish a new lock. I don't know, but either way, I'm fine. I'm still able to pull my hair back when I need to or make a bun. The locks, even the shorter locks, will get in formation as far as being pulled back. And if it's imperfect, that's fine. This is my natural hair. I'm not trying to have a hairstyle that is perfectly in place all the time. It's okay with me if it's not. Another thing is that I've shared before that I do have a bit of a trouble area in like around the crown area. And I had to reschedule my dermatologist appointment. But also I did some blood work and found out there are some medical issues that may be contributing to the sparse crown area. So I'm addressing that medical concern, but also I have a dermatology appointment early January and I'm working up the nerve and the courage because I know if they are examining your hair and lack of hair growth or hair density, that they will biopsy your scalp. I'm working up the courage to get that done and we'll go from there. One of the things that I will express to my dermatologist is that to change hairstyles for me at this point it's not an option. I want to keep my locks. If she has other recommendations on how I can make my hair more full, I'll take that. But if it's like, girl, take them locks down, I don't think so. Products that I continue to use, I will leave a list in the description of products that I use or will recommend. I did bring a few things that I am using or want to try. I am still using the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight. I tried this, I tried the rose water, and I went back to this, I believe. It's one of my favorites so far. I no longer use the Sisterlocks shampoo. Don't plan on doing it. I want something that is commercially available that I can go to a local big box store or convenience store and find. Target, that's where I get it. I'm also trying, and I ordered this one from Target because it was not available in the store. I ordered the Suave Daily Clarifying Cleansing Shampoo because I've heard a lot of people who wear Sisterlocks recommend it, and I wanted to try that for myself. And so at some point I'll try this and report back. Also still using the Pravana Intense Therapy Leave-In Conditioner. Every now and again, I don't add moisture to my hair every day because I don't feel like it needs it every day. In fact, if I'm trying to keep a braid out, I don't add a lot of moisture to my hair. What for? I do wear a bonnet nightly or when I'm just around the house. It is winter and I do wear scarves, I do wear sweaters, and I haven't noticed a lot of buildup in my hair. I do mainly wear my hair up when I'm wearing scarves or really fuzzy sweaters, and maybe that's helping, but I honestly haven't noticed a lot of buildup. I sleep in a bonnet, I wear my hair up. Oh, another thing, essential this year, getting these scrunchies. Scrunchies have helped so much. And even though I'm putting my hair up, I don't feel like it stresses my hair to wear these. And so I'm often wearing updos with scrunchies. Sometimes the scrunchie shows, sometimes it doesn't. It doesn't really matter. Also, I'm still braiding and banding, and I've wavered on this, going back and forth, but I want my locks to continue to look consistent and cylindrical. I don't want them to get big at the ends or puffy. I don't want them to be harder to interlock. And so for the foreseeable future, I will be still braiding and banding my hair. If you'd like to learn more about my Sisterlocks journey, I will leave a playlist here just for you. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.